Hi, my name is Heather Heiman, and I'm a staff attorney here at Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service, where I manage our partnership with the Human Trafficking Prevention Project. And I'm here to talk to you today about name changes in Maryland. I recently did a webinar on this topic with one of our great volunteers, Christopher Rawl. That was back in May of this year. It's available on our website. But I just wanted to share a few highlights from that webinar to kind of give you an overview of what the name change process is like, and which is really actually fairly easy here in Maryland. Um, you can change your name in the state via court order, so long as it's not for any kind of illegal or fraudulent purpose and doesn't interfere with the rights of others. If you're getting married or you were divorced, there's also a process to change your name during those events as well. But if you want to just request to change your name, which you can change it to anything you want, really. Again, maybe not Beyonce, but any other thing you want. You just have to file a petition to change the name of an adult, or if there's a minor that wants to change your name, petition to change the name of a minor. In the court in which for an adult, that individual either lives, where they carry on business, or where they were born. And that paperwork would be submitted to the circuit court in that county. Um, if a minor is looking to change their name, or a parent is looking to change a minor's name, there has to be approval of the parents. You have to get consents from both parents, and parents, guardians, custodians. And if there is not consent from a parent, then you need to give notice to the other parent or any other guardian or custodian so that they have a chance to object. We sometimes see some complicated cases with that situations where someone's looking to change their name and is unable to locate another parent. But there are ways to work through that. We're always, looking to explore to ensure people can access this important remedy, and have the ability to be called what they want. So, in addition to turning in the paperwork, you also have to show some proof of identity. And that could be like a copy of a driver's license or a birth certificate or a passport. Just something to establish you are who you are and to show what legal name you currently have. There's also a filing fee for this. It's $165 in circuit court. This filing fee can be waived. That's actually one nice thing about getting help with this process through Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service. If you qualify for services from us, then you are entitled to us asking for a fee waiver on your behalf, which is usually a little bit easier to get than the longer form that you have to file if you're requesting the name change on your own. So yeah, it's a pretty easy process. There isn't a notice requirement for adult name changes or a publication requirement like there used to be a few years ago. And the court usually makes a decision within 30 days, ruling on that petition. Though sometimes it takes a little bit longer depending on the jurisdiction. Some folks, when they're looking to change their name, are also looking to change their gender marker as well, or to get a judicial declaration of gender identity, where a court kind of officially states or affirms a person's gender. And that's also a process. It's a little bit separate process of different filings that you can go through in Maryland. And we can help with that as well here at MVLS. But I will say a lot of the folks that I work with who might be interested in moving forward with a name change and changing their gender marker will assist them with getting a court order for the name change and then guiding them through the administrative processes that are available to change one's gender marker at the Motor Vehicle Association, get driver's license update, to update your a passport, to update a birth certificate, which you can generally do as long as you have that court order. So yeah, so it's something that we're definitely here to help with. And it's a really critical thing to get done. I will say that, with 2025 around the corner, there may be changes to some of the administrative processes for changing a gender marker designation on Social Security cards and passports, We don't know what's coming down the road for folks in the next year. So if you or someone you know has changed their name and wants to change their gender marker on documents, or is interested in moving forward with a name change and a gender marker changes on documents, then we'd encourage you to do it as soon as possible. There's a lot of folks and organizations out there that can help. MVLS, as well as Trans Maryland and other groups are able to assist with these. So thanks so much for listening. If you have more questions about this, don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you're interested in getting help with a name change, you can apply for services on our website, www.mvlslaw.org, or you can call our intake line at 410-547-6537. And we are definitely here to help. Thanks so much.